In this video, we're going to be removing a 2025 Ford Super Duty taillight. This is a F350 F250. It's all the same. So we're going to open the tailgate, and there's going to be two 8mm bolts. Make sure you fully take them out. Alright, so now trying to get a better shot. So they come out this way to the side a little bit. And I'll show you why right now. Then you're gonna have 3 plugs. So you press on this tab right here and it releases it and just pull it out. Second one, you're gonna have the safety pin, so you just slide this back. Let me see if I could do it by hand. And then just press the white tab in the middle and pull the plug. This is for the Bliss blind radar sensor. Okay. Some models won't have this option, so yours might be a little bit different. So there you go, 3 of those. And these are the little clips, little guider clips that you have to kind of pull them at an angle. See how it is? You just have to pop them out. This is where they sit. And same thing for the, what is this, the passenger side. So this was the driver, so same for passenger side.